Here we are in Morgan Hill. We got a tons of downpour rain and hail. This is an amazing sight. Thunder and lightning just started today. This is amazing. It's coming down. Fantastic sight to see. Like one of our first day of rain. Cars are covered with it. Oh, we like that. Listen, they come down. Yeah! Yeah! Glad I'm out here and not missing this. The ground is starting to get blanket with hail. I haven't seen it like this in years. Hope all my friends here on in Kelly here in the bay are okay. Wow, look at that. Big old pieces falling. Big old pieces are dropping. You can hear it on the ceiling up here. I don't think I've ever seen hail that big. Ripped it a little bit. Jesus Christ, birds are coming down. Big chunks, pieces of hail. Oh my goodness. Looky there. Standing under the roof that I am right now. This is crazy. Like shooting the leaves off the trees. I have never seen real life before in my life. This is crazy. I wish I could zoom in on this. What's happening here? Oh, goodness. The hell? Coming down right now. And I'm talking about blanketing the pavement here. And it's so loud that I'm out here walking in this stuff. I feel bad for anybody that's caught up outside of this. Big old truck. Big old chunks of hail coming down. Yeah. So it's slowing up a little bit. There's a lot of water down there. That is amazing. Now that's power, that's God. Woo, there's the flashing. Tasty stuff. Woo, baby. Ready to go.